Hey y'all, so we are about to do a quick install and I'm about to use Bold Hold Lace Jelly and this liquid gold. First, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this jelly. I'm gonna lay it down. Okay, we're gonna lay this jelly down on all over our hairline. Ooh. All over our hairline area. And this is going to get the thing to lay down, your cap to lay down. And yes, I've done this before. I just forgot to record every single step. But we're not gonna tell nobody. We're not gonna tell nobody. The two items will be linked in this video. And if not, it is definitely in my showcase. Like, this is alcohol free. I'm telling you, it will last. The best. If you ain't trying to deal with no glue, get you some of this. Let me go grab my blow dryer and dry this off, and we'll be right back. And as y'all can see, it is laid. So yeah, it works. All right. So part two. We are about to lay this hair, and this is Black Girl Magic hair. This is a 12-inch water wave, if I'm not mistaken. It will be linked in this video. If not, it will definitely be in my showcase. So this hair is pre-plucked and whatnot. So what I am currently about to do is I am going to add the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to this section where the lace is going to lay. Just right here, because I want it to be side part. I don't too much like the middle. We're gonna do that little side, and today I'm gonna do the left side for the first time, or the left side for, I don't know, but it's been a minute. I always do the right side. We're gonna switch it up this time. Okie dokie, okie dokie.